Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. I've spent all morning working on and creating this video from the gym that my brother Cameron shot. You all know who Cameron is. This full video is going to be live on my girlfriend Bobby's channel. I'm sure you all know who she is too. She's always in my videos. If you guys have not seen her channel, go check it out. I'll have it linked right up there. Make sure you subscribe. Go show her some love. The girl is extremely talented in the gym. She's pretty smart with cars too. So make sure you guys go check her out. Now let's jump into today's video. Did you guys go watch that video yet? You better have. So today's video is going to be installing a front lip on the wide body FRS. I guess it's not really a wide body right now. The full kit's still off the car from when I had it at the BDR shop. And I know you guys have seen the lip on the car already. It's been sitting on there very tightly. It's a very tight fit from the factory. But today we're actually going to be fully installing the lip. I'm also going to be explaining why I chose this lip over the other 568 lips available for this car. So this is what the lip looks like. It's like essentially a lip with a splitter on the bottom of it. I think it looks amazing. It looks completely freaking awesome. The only things you're going to need to install this lip on your car, of course, you're going to need the lip itself. They send you some screws with the lip. You're going to need 4 screws and then a good old drill with a Phillips bit on it. If you don't have this, just use a regular old Phillips screwdriver. That's all you're gonna need, guys. This thing's so easy to install. I'm gonna have this lip down in the description box below, so make sure you guys go check that out. It's stupid cheap for how good this thing looks. And I'll also throw the drill and the bit down there as well, so make sure you guys go check out all those links. So I'm gonna start with one end first. I'll get it up onto the bumper where I want it. And then I kind of just feed it on from there. Usually these lips fit pretty tight on here. Oh yeah, this is definitely gonna be a tight fit. So that's how I've had it for a while. I've driven it with it like that and it never fell off, not even screwed on. So that just shows, that goes to show how good these things actually fit. So the first reason why I went with this lip, it's super cheap. It's like $100 and it's somewhere between $100 and $150. Let's just say $120 for this lip. Number 2, it looks awesome. So the lip, it's like a lip and then has a splitter on the bottom, which is gonna flow really well with the little bottom skirts I have for the Rallybacker kit, because I went the full 16 piece. So they do have some sort of underboard. So the front lip or the front splitter kind of flows with all of that, and that is going to look amazing. The third reason is the material it's made out of is polyurethane, and more expensive lips such as like the Rallybacker lip are made out of fiberglass, so they don't flex like a polyurethane lip will. And I'll be rolling around town in this thing pretty damn low, so I know I'm going to be scraping this lip on pretty much everything coming into inclines and whatnot, and I didn't want to have a $500 Rallybacker lip on there, hit something for the first time and break it. So being that this lip's $120 and it's flexible, it's going to last me a lot longer than any expensive lip will, and it's cheap as hell. So when it does get super destroyed, I can replace it for free. Did I really just say for free? I can replace it for $120. Now on the ends here, they already have these holes pre-drilled into the lip, so we're just going to go ahead and screw that right to the bumper. Try to push the lip flush with the bumper first. There's one hole. Now let's go do the other side. And that is gonna wrap up the install. Yeah, bro. Alrighty guys, let me know what you think down below of this lip. I think it looks incredible, but if you think there's a better looking lip for this car for this amount of money, let me know down below. Later today, I'm gonna be throwing some new fog lights on the FRS. So it's like a fog light with a bezel and everything on there. They're gonna look pretty good. I guess there's not even fog lights on here right now. That is just the blinker. So it's a fog light down here with a blinker up here, which I don't even use these blinkers anymore, but whatever. So that's gonna be the next video coming out, is the fog light install. It's gonna be pretty cool. But I'm gonna go ahead, wrap up this video right here, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that thumbs up button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for all the content coming out. Next week I got my bike build, a little sneak peek for you guys. Full bike build videos coming out next week, and then from there it's just a lot of more FRS content. This thing's gonna be insane when it's done, so really hope you guys are subscribed, because you're not gonna wanna miss a single thing. See you in the next one.